Hey everyone, it's Gretchen here, Catnpaws. So I have a Tuesday morning to show you. Just a couple things I picked up here and there. These have been hauled quite a bit, the Inka Dinka Doo. And they're just, I figured they'd be nice for stamping on journal pages. And there's the SKU number. So I picked that up. I got a few things. You know what? I got these journal cards. I've already broken into them. It's by Fancy Pants Joy Parade. Brag cards, they're calling it. And I've already gotten a few. Well, I've already opened them up and used a few of them. But they're just little cards. And I thought, you know, they'd be fun to use for whatnot. Happy Mail, that kind of thing. Make cards with. And then I also picked up this 6x6 American Crafts umbrella. And there's the number. And it's just a really cute, bright springtime paper pad. Love all the pastels. There's some bunny rabbits here. Some chicks, some bunnies, spring. I believe it repeats itself. It does. So I did get that. And this DIY shop, they are just treat bags. I know, I looked down and thought I could really make these, but sometimes it's so fun to buy pre-made things. And it's by the, it does say that DIY shop, American Crafts. There's the SKU number. There are 12 in here for $1.49. A little on the pricey side, but fun stuff. I found these. The Artsy, I can't remember, where did I get them from? It was, not my regular Tuesday morning. So I got that one, and my friend B got me a pack as well. But when I saw these, I just like, let me grab them. And then I also picked up this one here. So 2 different SKU numbers. And it's just an ephemera pack. Another pack of their Project Life. Because they're really not $9.99. I think they're $2.99. And you get 60 textured cards, and I thought I could use them as a background and then put something else on front. And so it would be a border or frame or something of the like. This is the Sunshine pack. So you can see there all the colors that come in it. And these have been around for a while. But just keep that in mind when you see that price. It's like, it may be cheaper than what's on there. These as well. This is the 3 embossing folders from Tim Holtz. They're the bingo playing cards. I wanted to really have one already embossed out for you, but you can see there is the ticket and that one and the bingo. They're calling it mini rays, but they're smaller. Let me open that for you, because it's not your average size embossing folder. Well, there we go. See how tiny they are? Or actually up on a foam riser. Do you guys ever save this stuff and use it for anything? I've actually held on to it and put stick pins in mine. That way I don't stick myself. It's very kind of translucent there, but there is a bingo pattern. There's the ticket. Maybe I'm catching the sunshine. And then the rays. So I got that. Now there's the number at. This one's been around for a while too. These markers are by American Crafts, and I'm not a big drawer, but everybody's hauling these great alcohol markers. This is not. They're just brush markers. I looked at the, what brand was it? Azure, I believe it's called. And I said, nah, I'll just stick to like a multi-pack of the brush markers because I want to color in some stamps. And there is the number. And I just like their brush, and I should be able to. I'm not quite, you know, I'm not an artist. I don't draw well. I don't color in the lines very well either. So I'm hoping these work. And I'm thinking mainly like Christmas cards because I have some very intricate Christmas stamps. My daughter eyed these up. She goes, you need these. I said, oh, yes, I do. So these are more of the sequins. They're in the pink. They had this in the primary. I have the primary color. So I went ahead and got the pink. And they're pretty, aren't they? Be great for Valentine's Day, or I think I can mix a few in with like a Christmas mix or anything like that. A spring mix. And then last up, now you know I wouldn't go Tuesday morning without eyeing up the 12 by 12s. This has been around for a while. There's some stuff out of the way here. It is the Authentic Micro Basics. 24 sheets. And there's the number. And my store had a couple of them, and I kept passing them up. And I just said, you know what? I'm going to get it because one side's solid, the other side's polka dots. And then you got some checks. Oh, that is bright yellow. You got some purple, some like aqua teal, browns. That sun's really coming in, isn't it? Oh, that's right. We had daylight savings time. So I just thought it'd be good. I love authentic paper. I like how sturdy it is. So it'd be fun to just use in my crafty everyday life. Now that was Tuesday morning. I did go to Michael's and I got just a few things. Some of this is clearance. So I'm just going to show you some of the clearance things real quick. Maybe your store has them. This is canvas doilies. Canvas doilies. And there's 10 in there, and you can see I paid $1.49. So I thought to myself, if it's more than half off, which $2.50 would be half off, this would be more like 75% off. So that's why I picked it up. Oh, I got into the paper clips. So I got 2 of each, 2 birdies, 2 coffee cups. They did have the diamonds, and they had some other paper clips with, you know, actually pictures on them. So I got those. These were on clearance. The eye pins, I got a few packs of these. This is in the, I don't know, nickel. I would call it more like, you know, the gunmetal color. And I'm always going through those. I like the eye pins because they actually catch your beads. I have more. I just gotta find them. There we go. They had them in the copper. And then they had them, oh, I got 2 gunmetal. This was just on sale. They were 3 for $10. It's bead landing, the Pemberley pendant. And I thought that'd be cute on a journal. Has a little spool of thread and a little ruler. And I don't know when the sale ends or started or anything. I just happened to go in because I could. Nothing was really pulling me in, so. This was on clearance, the Tim Holtz Ephemera Pack Vellum Thrift Shop. I think this is different than what Tuesday morning was selling. I'm pretty sure. So, any of you vellum happy Tim Holtz people might want to go check it out because it was $1.49. And that seems to be a really, really good deal for that. I got 2 of the canvas doilies. I got 2 of the Tim Holtz vellum pack. I got this ephemera pack. It was $1.49 as well, the Artsy. Again, it matches that little one from, like, this is the same company. This is in metallic. There's all these fun pieces in there to work with. Got that one. And then this was just on sale. It was back there with the backyard kitchen stuff, backyard table collection. 40% off, and then I did have the additional coupon off, so I did grab a couple. I've had these up since they came out, and they were originally $6.99. Yeah, I wasn't going to pay that. But you can see there's 24 letter papers, 12 envelopes, 6 labels. And they come in this nice little Ziploc bag. There's that design. I got a few of these. And actually, I did not get all of the designs. And that sun's really coming in. Yeah, see if I can fix that. I'll scoot you over that way. So that design. Remove my markers. I got a couple more. This one, how pretty is that one? And then I got the pineapples. They had flamingos. And then this is a duplicate of that one because I thought it was so pretty. So that's my Michaels and my Tuesday morning. Good stuff. So hope you're having a great day. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Take care. Bye-bye.